This set of three questions on exponential functions are knowledge-based questions. Now here, you can note down these questions, answer them, and then check the answers. Question 13 is, write 1 over 227 to the power of 2 as a base 9 power. So we have to replace 27 by 9 and make an equivalent number here. Question 14. Simplify. Write as a single power with a positive exponent. And we're given three different things to do. Now question 15 is evaluate and leave your answer as a fraction or integer. 2 within bracket 6 to the power of 0 minus 4 to the power of minus 3. Okay, now let's do that. Now for this question, 1 over 27. So 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3, right? So we can write basically 27 as 3 cubed, right? So, and how do you write base 9? 9 is 3 to the power of half, right? You know, 9 is basically is 3 square. Correct? 9 is 3 square. Or, well, there's square also, so we could do, so this is slightly easier. We could do it like 1 over 3 square times 3, right? And this 3 square is 9, correct? And therefore we can write this as 1 over 9 cube, right? So I can write this as, so let me show you what I'm trying to do here. So we can write 1 over 27 whole square as equal to 1 over 3 cube, right? Whole square, and this we can write that as 1 over 3 to the power of 2 times 3, 6, right? Because they get multiplied, right? And now we know that 9 is 3 square, right? So we could write this as 1 over 9, 6 divided by 2, which is cube, correct? So this is how we can write as a power of base as 9, correct? Because 9 is 3 square. So that's it. Simplify, write as a single power with positive, right? So here, this is 3 to the power of, we'll multiply 4 and 3, right, 12. And denominator is minus 7 and minus 2. So that means minus 9. So this can be written as 3 to the power of 12 minus 9, which is 3, correct? How about this? Now here we see that the base is different. So we need to make them same base. And as you know, 8 squared is 64. So we can replace 64 with 8, right? So I can write this as 8 to the power of minus, so we'll write square, right? 2 over 3 over 8 to the power of 1 over 3, correct? And this all to the power of minus 2, correct? Now minus 2 over 3, and this also gets minus, right? So we get 8 to the power of minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3, which means minus 3 over 3, which is 8 to the power of minus 1, right? So this I could write as 8 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 2. And when I multiply this, I get my answer as 8 squared, correct? So that's what I get. Now this one. Now here, these are in terms of 9. We need to check, we know 81 is 9 squared. We need to check what power of 729 we get 9, right? So 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 8 is 72. So it is 9 to the power of 3, right? Which is 729, correct? So 729 is equals to 9 times 9 is 81 times 9, so it gives you 729. So we can write this as 9 to the power of, so this is cube, right? And that is square, so we can write 3 over 2 here, correct? Times, this is 9 to the power of minus 3 and then 3 here. So when you divide this by this, you get 9 to the power of minus 1, correct? And here 81 square root, 81 is 9 square, right? So you get 9 square over 4, correct? Over 4. This is what you get for this. So here we can add them. So we have 9 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1, and this is minus 2 over 4 is minus half, correct? So minus half, correct? So if we do this, what do we get? Let's take common denominator as 2. So we get this is equals to 9 to the power of, if the common denominator is 2, then this is 3 minus 2, which is 1, and minus 1 is 0, right? 0 over anything is 0. So we get 9 to the power of 0, which gives us with 1. Okay? So that's what we get. Correct? So we can do this 3 over, so this, let's do it again. We take common base as 2, right? And here it is 3, and this gets multiplied by 2, so 3 minus 2, and this is minus 1, correct? So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so we get 0. Anything divided by 0 divided by anything is 0, so we get 1, correct? Now here, evaluate and leave your answer as a fraction or integer. Now here, we know this is equals to 2, and anything to the power of 0 is 1, minus 4 to the power of 1 over 3. So 1 over 4, because this is this, and 4 cube. So 4 cube is 4 times 4 times 4. Is that okay? Let's open the bracket. If you open the bracket, we get 2 minus 2 over this. That means 1 over 4 times 4, and then one of the 2's will get cancelled with this. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. We get 32, correct? Now, we can write this as 32 times 2 is 64. 64 minus 1 over 32, which is 63 over 32, correct? So this could be written as 63 over 32. So that's the solution for question number 15. I hope you understand what we did here. So basically, this minus makes it a reciprocal. So it's 1 over 4 cube, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4. And when you multiply by 2, 2 times 1 is 2. And here, one of the 2's we cancelled out. So 16 times 2 we did, right? 32. And then we got this, correct? Okay, let's move on to other set of questions.